I think there's one more present over here. Do you want to come see? Over here on the back of the couch.
I was like, what, there it is?
Oh. Hey, come here. On the back of the couch is another present. You want to grab it? What's that? That's for when you do triathlons.
Yeah, this is to put on your arms when you go in the water so you can float.
What do you think about that?
For your first triathlon, sure.
Can you say thank you, Uncle Craig?
Say thank
Good
you.
job.
What's in there? You know what's in there. It's stuff for your triathlon. You say triathlon?
Yeah.
Daddy, blow them up. Let's see what we got here. See what we got here.
That's going to take a long time. I'm not going to video it. Oh, maybe not. Daddy's got good lungs. That's good enough. Put that on your arm. Good job, Dad.
There you go, Dad.
Here, Lila, you